Access tokens are JSON Web Tokens, or JWT, required for authentication. When an API client attempts to access any API resource, an access token is created and used for authentication. One API verifies the access token and grants the API client access to the required Zscaler services API resource. Additionally, it is important to note that administrators can manage access tokens and control the API client's access to API resources. Let's navigate to the token page. Here, you can view the list of client IDs and the assigned tokens for each API client. The details include the client ID, which is the unique identifier for the API client, the JSON Token Identifier, or JTI, the date and time when the token was issued and expired, the JWT to view the JSON Web Token details, and the status, which indicates whether the token is active, revoked, or expired. You also have the option to revoke access tokens assigned to API clients when necessary. Now let's quickly create an access token using Postman for the API client we have already created. In Postman, go to the Authorization tab and enter the client ID and the secret for the API client. Ensure that the access token URL, which is the Z Identity Base URL in our case, is correctly inputted. Click on the Get New Access Token button at the bottom to generate the access token. As you can see, the token for the specific API client and the access token URL is successfully created. Now click on Use Token to add and utilize the token. Let's move back to the Z Identity Admin dashboard to verify if the newly created token is listed. Here, the token has been added to the table. As you can see, you also have the option to revoke access tokens assigned to API clients when required.